Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Time to do a little unboxing. Y'all know I love to shop and I love to shop on Amazon. So my daughter has moved back to college and she needed some wall art for her wall in her dorm. So I went on Amazon and I found these beautiful African wall decor. And the name of the wall decor is Quisiak. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, y'all, because I can butcher a name. Just letting y'all know. So we're going to open the box, y'all. We're going to open it up. I ordered it yesterday, and I got same-day delivery because I got same-day delivery from Amazon. Let me open here. Okay, let's see. So here they are. They're actually like canvas. So I bought a set of 4, and they are 8 by 10. I'm gonna open up one of them so we can see how they look. And okay, where do we open it at? Okay, right here. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going. Oh, duh, right here. Okay. So these are the wall decors I bought from Amazon. You get 4, and they're like this. Aren't they pretty? Look at these. So this is the perfume, high heels, fashion, lipstick set. Aren't they pretty? They're really pretty. Look. Okay, so that's one set, and these were $13.99 for 4, 8 by 10. And then I bought another set because I wasn't sure which one she would want. So I got this one here also. And this is another set. Oh, this is the beach set. I'm sorry. And this is the handbag. Oh, one is creased. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that crease. Y'all see that crease? Look at the crease. Oh boy. Look. Oh, I'm so upset. I hope it comes out. And so this is the perfume set with the bag, the high heels, the perfume, and the Vogue picture. These are so pretty, but these are creased. Oh boy. So for these, I don't know which one she wants, so I just, got 2 sets. And then I bought these picture frames also from Amazon. These are like $15.29 for 5. I might have to get some more because I have 16 pictures, right? And these are happy frames, picture frames. I'm just gonna open it. I mean, we know what picture frames look like, but I'll open it anyway. Oh, I don't want to scratch it. Let me see if I could just slide my knife right here. So y'all know I had surgery on my hand, too. Wow, these things are hard to open. Jeez. Oh, hold on. I need my scissors. There we go. And sorry if the camera is shaking, y'all. I'm trying to get the picture frames out. So these are the picture frames right here. Okay. I don't know if I move it, then it'll be too low for y'all to see. And here's the picture frames. And these frames are also, I think, 4 by 7? You can take this out. Let's take that out. I'm gonna take this out so we can put one of those decorated, the decor art in one of these frames so we can see how it looks. So you can take these out. You don't need those. Take those out. It's actually just plastic. Wait, am I missing some glass? Don't tell me I bought the wrong frames. Because if that comes out, then, oh, y'all, I bought the wrong frames. Because look, it's supposed to be for something like, let me see if I can get it. Like, I bought the wrong frame, but my sister recently passed, so I didn't have anything to, what is wrong with these frames, y'all? I don't know. So I guess I could put her picture in here. Oh, I think I got bamboozled, y'all. I got bamboozled. Anyway, this is supposed to go in here like this. And I thought I bought the right frame for this, which I didn't, and now I'm pissed off. I'm pissed off because I don't want this to be like that. That's not what I want. And then I'm also pissed off because look, y'all, look at this thing right here, this crease in this nice canvas art. I'm so peed off right now. But anyway, y'all, I'll figure it out. I'll buy some more frames. I'll find something to do with these frames right here. But I just wanted you guys to see the wall. It's called the Quizioc canvas wall decor. Now, some of them came creased. And a lot of people on, I should have read the review and you know, let it stick in my head, because a lot of people on the review under the product was saying, you know, some of them came creased. My dumb ass didn't listen. And you know, the ones that you like the most are the ones that came messed up like that. See that? But I think I can work it out where I can make it, you know, okay, it's coming out if you just press on it a little bit. But, oh, I'm so mad. I'm so mad. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all what I bought from Amazon. I got these. Let me see. These were like 8 by 10. That's what the description gave me. And they're not going to work because this, I don't want this like this. I want this. I want the picture to be inside of the frame itself. So anyway, I'm going to go and I'm going to frame one of these and show y'all how they look. The look that I was going for. Okay? All right, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe.